no batter on it. And also you'll see that the cake shrinks slightly away from the sides. That means that it's done. So let them cool for about 5 minutes in the tin, and then take a knife or a small offset spatula and just run it along the edges. Like so. And then just flip it over. Other one. Pull that off. There we go. So cakes are out, and we're just gonna leave them to the side to cool down a bit for us. Right, so whilst the cakes are cooling down, we're gonna make our chantilly cream by hand. Even if you got a Kitchenaid or a stand mixer, I recommend using a whisk. So you're gonna get your cream in there. You're gonna add the caster sugar, this is a tablespoon of caster sugar, and then some vanilla. So again, we're using vanilla extract. Just a teaspoon goes in. And then you're gonna grab your whisk. We're gonna whisk it. So the reason why I prefer to do this by hand instead of your Kitchenaid is that it's very easy to over whisk this. So by doing it by hand, you got more of a feel for it. So you can sense when it starts thickening up, and that's when you're gonna stop. You're gonna get it to soft peaks. And we're using double cream in the UK, so high fat cream. You could also use whipping cream, and the US would probably be heavy cream. Whisk it up. And just think about you burning at least like half of the calories for a slice of cake now. So just give it a little bit of a whisk. And you'll see that it starts thickening up. As I said, we just want it to be soft peaks. Don't want it to be stiff peaks. And you definitely don't want to over whisk it. So once you got soft peaks here, you're just going to put it to the side. And you can definitely just use like a spoon or a spatula to get it onto your cake. But if you want to have a little bit of fun, we're going to use a piping bag. So in my piping bag, I got a nozzle, I got a closed down nozzle in here, it can be any nozzle, and a little clip so it doesn't go flying everywhere. And because I'm doing this on my own, I'm just going to pop it into a jar here to make it a bit easier for me. Make sure that the bag is completely open. Like so. And we're going to get the cream into it. And just get this into your piping bag. So this is called Chantilly cream, but basically it's just sweet whipped cream with a bit of vanilla flavor. Back up here. Questions? Keep whisking. If your cream isn't getting thicker, you're just going to keep whisking. I know I'm quite strong, right? I whisked it up pretty fast. I was surprised myself. And you're just going to keep whisking. Keep whisking. It will happen, I promise. It just takes a bit of time. Put it back. If you're not going to use your cream straight away, just pop it in the fridge. Cream doesn't love room temperature, so just put it somewhere cool if you're not going to use it straight away. Right, so this is the side of the cake that went into the tin. That's our flattest side, so that's going to be our tops. So turn around. Pop them over here on a little cake board. And then you can use any jam you like, or lemon curd, or anything like that. I got some raspberry. I like it with raspberry jam here. I'm gonna get that on. And just a small offset spatula. Get it all the way. Just like maybe stop a couple of millimeters from the edge. Don't be shy on the jam, you want jam in there. This is perfect timing, huh, for afternoon tea today. 4 o'clock, cup of tea or gin and tonic, wink wink, and a slice of Victoria sponge. Not bad, not bad. Alright, so it's just almost all the way to the edge. Like so. And then you're going to grab your piping bag if you're using that, or just clean your spoon or spatula. You're going to dip it into your cream and put that on top of your jam. And then you can just basically do anything. Let's see what's fun. I should probably say, if you don't use a piping bag that often, the best way to hold your piping bag, if you're right hand like me, is between your thumb and your index. You're going to hold onto the twist, and the bag just sits down in your hand. So basically you're not holding it like so. And the pressure in your bag is just your right hand, your left hand is just for guiding it. So just try and press it just with one hand. And you can do some small swirls here. And just bear in mind that calories during Corona don't count. So just get the cream in there. Like so. And then you're going to grab the top. Make sure that these are cool, because you don't want them to be too warm when they go on top of your cream. And try not to do the Leaning Tower of Pisa. So fairly straight down. And then, just to finish it off, you can do a little bit of icing sugar. And if you have any like raspberries or strawberries lying around, I don't unfortunately, you can pop them on top to decorate. Otherwise, let's get a little cake stand out if you got one, or plate. There we go. So this should be good for about 3 days if it lasts that long for you. Pop it in the fridge when you're done eating it, because there's cream in it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Please tag me in your photos. Bake with Maria at home, hashtag. Any questions, just shoot me a message. I really enjoyed this. I hope you did too. I'm thinking next week we're going to do something with yeast. But if you have any suggestions, I'm more than happy to listen to your suggestions. But we'll be back next Sunday at 3 p.m. Questions? Thank you.